right, we're going to continue looking at fact and opinion this week. So this is Bellwork for Wednesday, April 14th and Thursday, April 15th. We're going to be looking today at a text, water erosion, but we're going to look at our questions first. This one even has images for us to look at. Which of the following sentences from the passage is an opinion? Okay, I want to know which one's an opinion. All of the following are facts about water erosion except, so we need to find the one that's an opinion. Which of the following is most likely the author's view? Okay, most likely the author's view of erosion. And which of the following sentences from the text contains an opinion? All right, let's look at our text. Water erosion. When you think of water, power and strength are probably not the first words that come to mind. However, water is one of the most powerful elements found in nature. Water has the power to erode land. Erosion is the slow destruction or wearing away of something. Water can cause erosion by slowly removing soil or dirt from one place to another. Look at the images below. How has the land surrounding the river changed from image 1 to image 2? Notice that the land in the second image appears to be higher. Water has the ability to create valleys, or a low area of land between hills or mountains. The creation of valleys is the most fascinating of all types of water erosion. Water can create valleys in two different ways. The first way water can erode the land and cause valleys is through the force of a river. A powerful river can cause dirt to be pushed down and out. Another way valleys can be formed through water erosion is the movement of glaciers. Glaciers are important natural wonders that should be protected. As massive glaciers break apart and move, they collide with land, creating a carving effect. Water can be powerful in both liquid and solid state. The creation of valleys is not the only way water changes Earth. Water erosion can also be caused by waves, flooding, and hurricanes. The erosion caused by water over thousands of years has left Earth with some pretty magnificent landforms. Grand Canyon being one of those. All right, so which of the following sentences from the passage is an opinion? All right, so we're looking for an opinion. This means what someone's thoughts are about it. Erosion is the slow destruction or wearing away of something. Well, that's a definition, so that is a fact. Notice that the land in the second image appears to be higher. Well, you can look at that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and eliminate that. The creation of valleys is the most fascinating of all types of water erosion. Well, that's an opinion because someone else might think another form of landforms would be better than valleys. All right, all of the following are facts about water erosion except, so we need to find the opinion again. Glaciers are important natural wonders that should be protected. All right, so as we're thinking about that, let's come back to that one. Water can cause erosion by slowly moving soil, dirt from one place to another. Nope, that's a fact. Science books could prove that. Water has the power to erode land. Nope, that's a fact too. Science books could prove that. So A is my opinion. All right, you're going to answer 3 and 4. Flip over to the back side for Thursday. Refraction and sight. Let's look at our questions first. Which of the following sentences from the passage contain an opinion? All the following are facts about refraction except, so again, we're going to be looking for an opinion. Which of the following is most likely the author's view of the topic? Most likely the author's view. And then number 4, which of the following sentences best describes the last paragraph? All right, refraction and sight. If you ever want your friends to think you're a magician, try this super cool trick. Show your friends a normal pencil, then place the pencil in water. Your friends will be very impressed when you show them that you can make the pencil bend or break with nothing but water. Remember, this was kind of what Brian learned in Hatchet. When you remove the pencil from the water, it will once again be a normal whole pencil. How does this magic work? It is actually science. When light travels, it travels in a straight line, but light travels at different speeds depending on the matter in which it is traveling. Light travels faster through air than it does water. In order to understand this, imagine yourself running on the beach. Now imagine yourself running into the ocean. Once your body is in the water, your running slows down. It is very similar to what happens with light. It slows once it hits water. Because the pencil is in both air and water, the light will bend at the surface of the water. This will cause the pencil to appear broken, and I kind of see that right there. The bending of light is called refraction. Refraction happens every day. You may not even realize how many times you have observed this scientific awesomeness. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Rainbows are created by the bending of the sun's rays when they enter raindrops. When you visit a pool, you may notice your friend's head appears to bounce along the surface of the water apart from their body, which is underwater. This too is an example of refraction. Refraction is also used in eyeglasses, camera lenses, and telescopes. While reading a science book may seem boring at times, science is actually fun, full of excitement. You can use science to trick your friends and create neat illusions or false light. Refraction is one of the most exciting science skills one can learn. All right, so again, we're looking at opinions. All right, which of the following sentences from the passage contains an opinion? But light travels at different speeds depending on the matter in which it is traveling. Well, no, that's science. That's a fact. You may not realize how many times you have observed this scientific awesomeness. Well, that could be an opinion. Let's look at the third one. Refraction happens every day. Well, that's true too. All right, so our correct answer would be, that's an opinion, is B. All right. All the followings are facts about refraction except, so we want to find the opinion. Rainbows are created by the bending of the sun's rays when they enter raindrops. That's true. Science could prove that. Refraction is also used in eyeglasses, camera lenses, and telescopes. Well, that's true. Science could prove that. Refraction is one of the most exciting science skills one can learn. Now that is an opinion, because someone might think something, another science skill. All right, so you're going to answer 3 and 4 on your own.